Hey y'all, I am here with a Trader Joe haul. This was my first time ever going to Trader Joe's. So my girlfriend Prissy, her and I went to Trader Joe's and I went hungry. So when you're hungry, you shouldn't shop. And when you go shopping when you're hungry, you end up buying a lot of things. But everything I got, I think, was a really good deal. And I'm really looking forward to eating all of this. Okay, so the first thing I got was some flowers because tomorrow's Valentine's Day and I'm giving this to my stepdaughter. So that's the first thing I got. The next thing I got was just a little bag of baby lettuce mix. Just got a small bag because I bought a bulk size spring mix from Sam's or Costco, one of those, and I ended up throwing away most of it because not a lot of people are salad eaters in my house. Definitely my kids are not, and my husband will only do like a pre-made salad every once in a while. So I bought a little small bag for myself, and then because I was so hungry and I was going through the salad area, I got this classic Greek salad. If you know me at all, you know that I love Mediterranean or Greek style food, and so this was right up my alley. I just saw the feta and the Kalamata olives and the red onions, and I'm just like so looking forward to eating that. I also got a Southwestern salad because I really enjoy this taste, the Southwestern style taste, so I got one of these. I also, because I'm so hungry, I saw this fruit medley and I was like, wow, that looks really good. So I got a fruit medley. And then I was going through the frozen food section and I saw this shrimp stir fry. And I thought, because it comes with everything you need, I thought that this was really good for like my husband or myself, just to throw in the skillet, like when we're here at lunchtime, when the kids are at school. Something that we can make that's already pretty much pre-made, pre-packaged. You just have to heat it up really quick. And so I thought this was a really good one. So I got one for him and one for myself. And I believe these were not very expensive. I think the shrimp stir fry was only $4.99. So $5 for shrimp and vegetables I thought was a really decent deal. I also got a bag of this sliced cremini mushrooms. I love mushrooms. I love adding it to get that extra protein. And so I've been including it in a lot more of my meals that my husband and I have been eating. So definitely happy to get one that's already like pre-sliced because, you know, it's just a step you don't need to take. I did, because I was hungry, get this bag of garlic fries. I love French fries. If you know me at all, French fries is like my favorite food, what do you call that? Food group, yes. French fries is like my favorite food group. Now you add garlic fries on top of that. Oh, yes, please. So I got that. I got a bag of this Argentinian red shrimp. They're huge. They look delicious. I made shrimp tacos the other night and they were amazing. I made them with peppers and onions and garlic, butter, a little bit of butter, some shrimp, some mushrooms, and threw it on a tortilla. And I put lettuce, cheese, sour cream, and avocado on mine. My husband just went for it like a basic, but it was delicious. So I'm totally looking forward to making that meal again. And then I believe I got two types of corn here. I got the roasted corn because I feel like this would be good for those shrimp tacos. So I got that kind. And then I just got a regular bag of regular corn. So those are all the frozen items that I got. Let's go to this bag. So I did one time. So I said that I've never been to Trader Joe's. I've never been to my Trader Joe's. I've never been to the Trader Joe's here in Houston. But one time I did go to Trader Joe's in California. My husband and I took a little weekend trip to California, and there was a Trader Joe's right next to our hotel. So we walked over there and we got stuff to make sandwiches. And I believe this was the bag of chips that I picked up. They were so good. This is organic white corn tortilla chips. These were really awesome. So I picked up a bag of those. Oh, this is also frozen. Look, I'm like all about shrimp tacos, okay? You know, I need to like satisfy my taco craving apparently because I picked up this shrimp soft tacos with tomatilla sauce and cotija cheese, cotija, I don't know. I don't know how to say that. Forgive me, cotija. I'm just like pronouncing it the way it looks. But picked up this. So this would be really nice, like to take to work on a day that I didn't cook or whatever, because I do work doubles, so I need to like feed myself several times at work. So this would be really nice to throw in on a day that I really need to feed myself fast. I also picked up my poor bread. This French baguette bread. They had this with some cheese. I'm going to show you the cheese in a second, but it was so tasty. And I'm a carbaholic. I will admit that is my worst vice in life, that I love my carbs. So I picked up this bread. It was so darn tasty. I picked it up because I picked up this triple cream brie cheese, and they had the two together. They toasted the bread a little bit, and they put this cream cheese, or this brie cheese on it, and it was so good. So I picked up the block of brie. I picked up this for my husband. These are beef steak burritos with seasoned beans. Again, we both work at the same place. We work very long hours, so if we need to feed ourselves really quickly and, you know, don't want to purchase at the airport, or if we haven't brought enough food from home, this is a really good deal to like just have something to throw into the microwave at work. Or we also have toaster ovens at work. So this is, I bought this for him so that he could take this to lunch. Beef steak burritos. He likes things like that. All right. So I bought this creamy tomato basil tomato sauce. I love tomato basil. Like today, after we went to Trader Joe's, we went to La Madeleine's, and I had the tomato basil soup, and I love it. So I bought this. This is more like for putting over pasta. This is not my tomato basil soup that I make my little pasta with meatballs. This is more like to put, you know, for like spaghetti type things. So I bought this. I also bought a red onion. Woohoo! So fun. I bought some limes. I bought this Trader Joe's rice cauliflower. I had a large bag, probably just a little bit larger than this, that I had purchased from Costco, and half of it went to waste because you have to use this up really quick. So this will be used tonight. I will be making dinner with this. I also have heard a lot of great things about this Green Goddess salad dressing. It has avocado, green onion, lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic. I've heard a lot of people talk about this salad dressing, so I'm looking forward to trying that. I also picked up this 21 seasoning salute. Looking forward to tasting this. This screams right up my alley. This is the Greek style feta dressing. Like I said, I love Greek or Mediterranean food. That's my jam. So I'm really excited to taste that. And then the last thing I bought, because I have a sweet tooth, is this English toffee with milk chocolate. So that's all the things that I got from Trader Joe's. Really quickly, I wanted to show you my second Grove Collaborative shipment. So I applied to be an affiliate, but they said, no, you're no good. No, I'm just kidding. They denied my request, but they sent me a $15 credit, so I did get a few more things this time. So the first thing I got is this Grove Collaborative Cleaning Essentials Set in orange rosemary, and it is basically three concentrates. So you have an all-purpose cleanser, you have a tub and tile cleanser, and then you have a glass cleanser. So you just need a bottle to put these in. But I like this because it doesn't take up much room, and once one of these other bottles runs out, I can just drop that in and use one of these other bottles. So I also picked up this Method Glass and Surface, what scent is this? This is in Waterfall. If you watched my last video, my absolute favorite is the Windex Multi-Surface. And this is an antibacterial. This is in Glade Rain Shower. It says kills 99% of germs. I really love this. I love the one in the yellow, not the clear vinegar looking one, and not the blue one, because those are not antibacterial. But I love how this cleans, you know, my stainless steel. It cleans my granite really well. It cleans my windows really, really well. So this is my favorite window cleaner. But I decided, because I wanted to go more organic. No, I don't really want to go more organic. I just wanted to go more environmentally friendly and household friendly, pet friendly, kid friendly. So I picked up Method because Method is supposed to be, you know, better for the ones around. And so I picked this one up in Waterfall. I will give this a try, but I have to remember the fact that it's not going to be killing germs like my Windex does. But I do enjoy my Windex. So if you're looking for a really good glass cleanser, Windex is really good. And they're probably around the same price because I believe this is in the $3 range, and my Windex one is always like $3.19 unless you can catch it on sale. Rarely goes on sale, but that's the one I really enjoy. I got me another one of these. I have the honeysuckle. This is in Bluebell. The Bluebell smells really good. So I got this Myers all-purpose cleanser. I got this Method Wood for Good Polish, Conditions and Revitalizes. It's an almond scent. I can't wait to smell that. I have a very large kitchen table, if you haven't seen it in my videos yet, and I wanted to try this on that because I have to cleanse it all the time, like because there's always smudges and stickiness from the food. I use my Pledge to give it a good conditioning, but I have to clean it all the time. So I wanted something good for it to clean it and not worry that I'm like removing or stripping it. So I'm gonna give this a try. I also got this Method Still for Real Cleanse and Polishes Apple Orchard scent. I got this for my stainless steel refrigerator because my stepdaughter, that's one of her chores is to clean the refrigerator because it always has fingerprints or food or whatever on it. So that's going to be my next one. The one that I really like is the Fleischmann's. Is it Fleischmann's? I really like the wipes. I like that. We use that, and then we'll use a stainless steel microfiber, and that cleans our stainless steel on our refrigerator very well. But we're going to give this a try. I also got another Method all-purpose cleanser, and this is in Honeycrisp Apple. I didn't realize I had gotten two. I didn't put two in my cart, so I had put this Honeycrisp Apple. I knew I was putting this one in mine, but I didn't realize I had this one in Pink Grapefruit. So I have two all-purpose cleansers in there. And the last thing I have in there is this Grove Bubble Up dish. So I've seen this in a lot of people's videos, and it's just like a dish, a ceramic dish that you put soap in. So you put the soap in it, and then you keep your brush on top, and then you can like press down on it, make it bubble up, and then you use it to wash your dishes. So this is the last thing that I had in that purchase because I had $15 off, and then I have all these other things in it. So that's it for my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you like me, give me a bigger thumbs up. If you enjoy these home type videos, these haul type videos of groceries, if you enjoy the hauls of cleansers, or just if you enjoyed my videos, don't forget to give me a bigger thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you know when I upload, because my uploading is very sporadic. It's just, you know, with kids' life and everything, work and all that. It's basically when I can, I do. So I will talk to you guys later. I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.